Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to change soundtrack in VLC Media Player. So I'm opening one files here. Okay, you can see here. Now I open this VLC Media Player with a movie. Then how to change the soundtrack? It is very simple. You can see here there is a symbol, and these things handle with subtitle and audio. You can click here, then you can simply select any other language available in that file. So here you can see there is Tamil language and Telugu, also Hindi and English. There is 4 languages. Also you can change subtitles language from here. Okay, and there is only 2 subtitles. 2 of them is in English language, so there is no different. So in this way you can easily change the language of the soundtrack, audio track in VLC Media Player here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.